How to change miles to kilometer in Google Maps. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can change miles to kilometer in Google Maps. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Google Maps in your device. Then navigate to the top right corner. There is your profile icon, tap on it. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and head towards the settings. Under settings, again scroll down and there you will have an option as distance units. Tap on it. Now from here you have to select the kilometer in order to change the miles into kilometer. So once you have changed that settings into kilometer, now whenever you search for the certain location in your Google Maps, you will see the distance in kilometers. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.